In a vast, arid land, creatures thrived against all odds. "How do you survive?" asked the curious traveler. "We adapt," replied the wise tortoise, storing water in its shell. The fox, with its large ears, dissipated heat. "We learn from the sun," said the snake, burrowing deep to escape its glare. "And from the moon," added the owl, hunting in the cool night. Each creature, unique in its way, taught resilience. "We find strength in scarcity," they chorused. Inspired, the traveler realized that challenges could be met with creativity and unity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.